Something else I always like to do when I do a major component replacement or a major tune-up or major throttle body cleaning or new spark plugs or, you know, anything pretty major relating to intake, combustion, and exhaust. When I'm finished with that task, I like to reset the computer of the truck, or any vehicle for that matter. I've done this on, my Mustang. I've done it on my Jeep Wrangler. There's videos on how to do that, but I'm doing it right now, actually. Some of you may or may not be aware of this tactic. What you do is remove your negative terminal from your battery, and then you actually connect from the positive. You'll jump over to just the negative cable. Nothing's going to happen. Nothing blows up. Nothing electrocutes or anything. What this does is drains the computer's backup battery and causes it to reset in about 5 minutes. So, I know some people either have never heard of such a crazy idea or they're not aware of how to do it, but that's typically how you do it on most vehicles. Once again, remove your negative battery cable, then jump it from your positive connected terminal. Just jump it straight over. But of course it's not going to be touching the battery, so there's no electricity going on. All this does is drain out your computer for your vehicle. And then you will restart the car, or actually you will turn the key to the on position for about 10 seconds. Then you will crank the vehicle and let it idle for about 10 minutes. Then you'll go drive it normally, and what you'll notice is the way it shifts gears sometimes improves greatly. Sometimes, the way it runs improves. I did this to my 07 Mustang GT, and I could not believe how much better everything did on it. The transmission shifted better on automatic transmission. It idled cleaner and smoother. I was just amazed. And there's other videos showing you how to do this. In fact, there's a Ford mechanic who talks about it, and shoot, it's no joke. It definitely works. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. Resetting the truck's computer, because this is fuel injected, which means electronically controlled, computer controlled and all that. So I'm going to reset this thing and then go through its little reboot, so to speak, and then we'll see how she runs. So check out for the future video of how she runs, and I'll compare it to how it ran before as far as just the sound with the exhaust. On the old exhaust, it was all plugged up with its old catalytic converters. Anywho, we'll be doing that soon, so check out later.